this thing of being at the peak, the space of the peak foothold is very narrow, no? Peak is very narrow. So foothold is very...
More than foothold, I think it's and I'm again saying it, I'm sure people are doing very well and mashallah everybody does well. But it does get a little strangely individual. I won't say alone and lonely, more than the foothold. The difficult part is that you are one of the few there. And that's the difficult. So you cannot explain why do I see things the way I see. क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई और है नहीं उसके साथ कंपेयर करने के लिए. तो मैं अगर किसी को कोई बात बताऊँ, बच्चों को समझिए, मैं बच्चों के बारे में ज़्यादा बात करता हूँ, I love them. मैं कुछ समझाऊँ तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि वो are they understanding because I'm seeing it from a different point of view. So कई बार होता है मैं लोगों के साथ बैठा हूँ, लोग कंपटीशन कर रहे हैं, मैं कहता यार छोड़ना, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार, इसमें ईगो की क्या बात है. But they say, what are you talking? Maybe you can speak like this because you've achieved. I can't take like this. I have to go and do this. So all those little bits and pieces that there are very few people that you can have a conversation with, or exchange thoughts with, or ideas with.
Or very few people you can have a conversation with without thinking that they are either competition, or they are envious, or they want something from you.
I won't name the actress, a wonderful friend of mine, she said, I don't know when people are talking to me, are they talking to me or are they talking to the actress they see on screen? Are they talking to the star? So I don't know, do they like me?
That's a very good line. Please tell me who this is. This is a very good line.
Madhuri and me were talking once, and in Black Forest we were shooting a film, and she said, Shah Rukh, I have a big issue. When somebody comes and says, I like you, are they liking me for what person I am? And she's a wonderful person. Or they're liking me for the star that they see. It's very confusing at times. Do they expect me to suddenly dhak kar? Is that the reason they're liking me? Or they're liking me because she's a wonderful person to be with, even if she was not an actor. So I think that's I don't get that difficulty. मैं घूमता ही नहीं. मैं सिर्फ गाड़ी में बैठता हूँ, स्टूडियो चले जाता हूँ, कोई फंक्शन पे आ गया अच्छे, नहीं तो मैं कुछ करता ही नहीं. Because that is a confusing part.
I have a story about Madhuri Dixit on Walk the Talk.
Tell me.
She also shifted to the other side, and I said, why? She said, my right profile is better than my left profile.
See, have you noticed? I have not shifted at all. I'm noticing you are shifting for light and profile and all of this time.
Mine, one is worse than the other. So I said, look, Madhuri Dixit, I'll any day take the worst profile.
Worst profile also. Jo mil jaye Madhuri, aapki profile.
So that's stardom, because there is a pressure of stardom.
I don't know, you choose it.
You can't retire.
Yeah.
You can't write an autobiography and be done with it.
मैंने लिखी है, and I want to write the second part because even when you become a star, you believe that you're never going to end. So मेरी तो autobiography end ही नहीं हो रही, वही नहीं end हो रही. किताब खत्म कर दूंगा तो मुझे लगता है मैं खत्म ना हो जाऊँ, तो मैं उसको पढ़ाता रहता हूँ.
Mid career है, अभी कहाँ से?
But you feel like that, it's not an insecurity, but it is a very strange space to be in. कि कब है, कब नहीं है. Are you good enough? Is the biggest question a star asks himself.
When do you go really low? When have you gone really low? Give me some examples.
Emotionally, I go. I think I'd like to blame it on poetic creativity. कि जो दुखी मन नहीं हो वो creative नहीं होता. But yeah, losses make me. Apart from the losses, when I'm held, like for my cricket team, which I keep giving an example of, I had nothing to do with the playing part of it. I love cricket, I love sports, and I think I initiated something which would be interesting for youngsters through IPL, through football, but it was the initiation. And then matches आ रहे तो लोग यार ये जो है चकदे वाली speech से चकदे पिक्चर चलती है, cricket नहीं चलाना आता. Then there were some doyens of cricket who started saying he doesn't know how to run. I wasn't running the cricket. I just used to come for my team, love them, and they lost. And then they started losing. That became very depressing. And I can't share it. If you're a star, it's difficult to cry publicly. It is difficult to cry at a party. It's difficult.
Frankly, people who are losing for you are also stars in their own right.
Yeah, and I don't think they want to lose either way. I mean, nobody wants to lose. Nobody wants to lose. But that was depressing. Also, I get very low when the blame starts on you sometimes, and you can't explain it to someone. यार ये हमारी वजह से मैं तो बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ यार. मैं वो एक लोगों के दिमाग में कभी ऐसा भी हो जाता है कि यार ये स्टार लोग यार ये यश हैं, ऐसे हैं, फलाना है, ढिमकाना है, easy life हो गई है इनकी. Necessarily not true.
यश हो क्या नहीं हो?
मैं बहुत यश हूँ. मैं मुझसे ज़्यादा यश कोई है ही नहीं. मैं तो I'm a शायर, I'm a poet. So मैं तो मुझसे ज़्यादा यश कोई भी नहीं है. Because मुझे किसी चीज़ की
मैं शायर लेकिन not शायर बदनाम.
नहीं नॉट बदनाम. मेरे को किसी चीज़ की लालसा ही नहीं, तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा याश होता है. सब कुछ है. मैं एक्चुअली लोग इतना प्यार करते हैं that I've never really need to ask for things. सब खुद ही याशी हो जाती है.
So what's the biggest pressure on you? What is it that you're most scared of losing? Is it this love? Is it stardom? Is it money? Is it fame? Is it your looks? Is it your 6, 8, 10 packs? What
वो तो जब ही आ जाए. I think I'm scared of not knowing what I'm scared of losing. I have no idea.
You're scared of the unknown.
I'm scared of not knowing what I'm scared of losing. You know, if you are at the level for 25 years, been getting everything that the world has to offer to you, love being the maximum of it, wherever you walk, wherever you go, everybody loves you and everybody wants the children to be like you. And I've been really blessed. Allah's been too kind to me. My parents' blessings. But I don't know. I've become so used to having everything, so I don't even know what I'm scared of losing.
But do you sometimes crave anonymity?
Not at all.
Never.
I want to die with sunglasses on. I want to be a star. I want to. There is no way that I would. There was a little line. I don't know, Mr. Jack Nicholson said or someone, and I quoted it once before in an interview. But it was all our lives. We try to be recognized, and then when we get recognized, we wear these dark glasses to cover our faces. And somebody asked him once that वो रात को dark glasses पहन के गए. तो उनसे ही शायद पूछा उनसे किसी ने कोई सब सेरेमनी कि यार तुम रात के वक्त मुझसे भी किसी ने पूछा था रात के वक्त तुम क्यों डार्क ग्लासेस पहनते हो? He said the sun never sets on me. So I want to I feel I should have the sun never setting on me. I'll be very honest. I don't want no anonymity. I want to be known. I want to be pushed. I want to have no privacy. I want to be pulled. I want to have difficulty in traffic. I want to have jams outside my house. I want people waving out to me. I want this love and I want it all.
On your birthday. I thought Bombay did not have these jams. Boy.
I like
people outside holding their cups of coffee, and somebody had set up a stall also.
I know. It's beautiful. I think the biggest thing that I have is the fact that people think they know me and they love me as their own.
And the other unusual thing about you and your generation, sorry to use that expression.
No, it's okay.
is that you've had the same competition for more than 20 years, more than 25 years in fact, the three Khans.
Yeah, I mean, it's very strange that we all started. I started a little later than them. They've been there 4 years before me.
Right.
So to me, they are seniors. As वो Mumbai film industry में बड़ा होता है senior, junior और सब. तो वो 4 साल पहले से यहाँ पे थे. Actually, when I came to Mumbai, we were not competitors because they were already very big stars and they were someone, I'm sure, people who were helping me out were thinking to emulate. But I think the three of us made our own spaces. Three of us have our own little lives. Three of us have our own films. And I think at this point, the competition is, चल तेरी अच्छी है तो मैं उससे अच्छी करके दिखाता हूँ. Only business-wise, I think. Creatively, I think three of us are. I think so because that has now become a mudda. Like you say, everybody talks about a number. So obviously, हम भी human हैं, touch हो ही जाता है. तो I'm sure वो एक दिमाग में रहता होगा. But personally, if you ask me, the three of us are very different actors.
But have you mellowed over time also in the way you relate to each other?
I think we were really mellow when we met earlier. We had our spaces because, Salman was someone whose family looked after my family when I came to Mumbai. Amir was always the more intelligent one that you turn to a plate chess with. कि यार हमें थोड़ा problem है समझाओ यार. And then slowly, I think.
They to help Vishwanathan Anand.
Yeah. Actually, मेरे साथ बहुत खेलता था Amir chess.
I see.
And लेकिन अब बहुत अच्छा हो गया है वो. So I'm not taking a chance with him. But I think somewhere as the years went by, people convinced us कि हमारा बहुत बड़ा competition है. 2 साल हुआ, 4 साल हुआ, 25 साल हो गया है. I think now we are back to कि अब हम साथ ही चलेंगे यार. ऐसा वो कुछ triumvirate बोलते हैं, trio बोलते हैं. और इंशाल्लाह ऐसे ही रहे. I think it would be really nice if the three of us are together. So there is a.
Hindi cinema has a trinity. It's all three Khans, all three Muslims.
हाँ, I've never seen it like that, but yeah, ऐसा trinity है. 3 pillars अगर बोले, it feels nice now, and we are mellowed about that. I don't think we have.
But you're also getting calmed down with each other in terms of you relate to each other.
Yeah, we've always been very courteous personally, and we've had our issues because everyone should have. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता. We've had our little fights and tiffs also. कभी ऊपर नीचे भी हुआ है, झगड़ा भी हुआ है, गाली गलौज भी हुई है. But I think now it has reached a stage where.
What's the worst phase you've had with each of them?
I think एक बार कुछ आमिर ने कुछ एक दिन कुछ ऐसा अपने sense of humor में कुछ कह दिया. Maybe my sense of humor, actually sometimes, and I understand it now, and I've started using it less. I used to joke. I assuming कि दोस्ती है यार तो कर सकता हूँ. But I think when you have your own status, you have your own children, you have your own friends, कभी-कभी अरे यार तेरे बारे में ऐसा बोल दिया. So maybe ज़्यादा तीखा था, गलत था. So I'm sorry about it in my head now, and I don't do it. I think somewhere.
You were thin-skinned.
I have a sense of humor, and if you joke about me, I'm okay with it. But maybe everybody's not. One has to be, everybody's made differently. Right. You can say crack a joke on me just now, but I'll be alright. And do I also have the right to do it with you or not? It's okay. Like I do it actually on your functions, on the screen awards and all. It's tongue in cheek and it's funny. मैं theatre का हूँ, थोड़ा sense of humor ऐसा है. But then I realized that वो गलत है. So I think once he wrote something But he was decent enough to come and apologize. He came and apologized to my kids actually, which was very sweet. He said, "यार वो गलती हो गया यार, वो मैंने मजाक में लिखा, वो मजाक ठीक नहीं बैठा. Something about the name of a dog or something." Salman me had a tiff I think 4-5 years ago. We just had some issues on talking. I think हम में
talking means?
कुछ उसने बोल दिया, मैंने बोल दिया, दोनों थोड़े से पठान हो गए कि ऐसी की तैसी तेरी, ऐसी की तैसी, चल जब ही रहने दे, अभी दोस्ती नहीं होगी जैसे फिल्मों में होता है. एंड थोड़ी बहुत प्यार है एक्चुअली. आई थिंक जब बहुत प्यार होता है.
पठान है दिल्ली के.
ऐसा मैं पेशोरी पठान हूँ, मैं तो एकदम प्योर हूँ. दिल्ली में रहा हूँ, बट मैं उठ के हम झगड़ा हो गया. आई थिंक बट वी रियलाइज्ड एंड वी ऑलवेज मेंटेन दैट फाइट्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू लास्ट. फाइट विल नॉट आउटलास्ट अस. That's for sure. And I think at this point we're all kind of okay with each other and happy.
You appeared at Salman's sister's wedding.
I didn't go for Salman's sister's wedding. I went for my sister's wedding.